Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata ng hindi mapaglaruan.
Welcome back, guys. This video is how to set manually upload preferences in the Google Drive. These settings will determine whether if you upload a file, it will automatically convert all your document to corresponding Google Docs format and will save a disk space given to us in the Google Docs. First, let us click the Gear Drive, Upload Settings, and check Convert Uploaded Files to the Google Docs format. That's it. Every time you upload files to your Google Docs, it will automatically convert it into Google Docs format.